So let's take a look at naps. This is how the naps are categorized by circular. You can see it has the nap start, the nap end, but does it increase the sleep quality score? Not that I've noticed. Kind of a bummer. But it does, the circular app does track sleep, and then right now you can see it's glowing red. That's what the ring does. This one glows green and red. So there's this one, green and red. This one uses infrared lights. So I took a nap today, and if I go to today's sleep analysis, I found an interesting data point. It didn't track it, or the fact that because something was wonky with the ring last night, it's not able to put the data anywhere. Anyway, so you can see right here, there's today's day, and if I go back to when it was working, there's the sleep data, everything's there, but you can't manually input the data, and it just kind of doesn't know what to do with my nap data from yesterday. Oh, interesting. That was not there before. Oh wait, yes it was. Yeah, because it wigged out Saturday afternoon, that's right. So if I go to energy analysis, and then I go to yesterday, there's just kind of a big gap. Oh. And yeah, it looks like missing data as well. How can I have 0 steps and 34 cardio points? All right. So now let's take a look at naps with the Oura rings. So we have this phone. This phone is connected to, hang on. So we'll start with the oldest one first, the Oura Ring 2.0, which I was wearing on my right index finger all day and primarily every day, and during the nap today. And then this is the Slate Oura Ring 3.0, that was my left index. And then during the nap, I actually combined these two, and I put them both on my left index finger. So they should be almost spot on. Now, very curious, the nap was shorter, but then during the day, while I was busy and didn't have time for this video, the data got sent up to the server, recalibrated or something, but as you can see, the nap, instead of being 30 minutes, got extended to almost an hour. Interesting. So we have the 2.0 thought that I had a 1 hour and 9-minute nap. So if I click right here, this is the cool part. So I click confirm, nap added, and then it shows total duration. Whoa, 2 hours and 20 minutes. Oh, that is not right. And it doesn't look like I can edit. That's very strange. So if I go to sleep, sleep score 89, and then it shows the nap with, yeah, normally it shows the score, but because the nap was, so I can edit my sleep cycle, but I cannot edit the nap itself. Nope. It's not letting me do that. Bummer. Let's take a look at the Slate ring, which is on my left. Confirm. And then, it did the same thing. It combined 2 of my naps today. Wake time, REM. Wow, that is weird. That looks like Oura Ring is not perfect after all. Well, I didn't think it was. Darn path. So now we have the silver one. Again, those are my left index. Confirm. This one worked. 95 to 95. Readiness score up 1 point. Okay, so this one had the movement. Okay, why the gaps? Why the gaps? Lowest heart rate. 7. Yeah. No, I wasn't. That's weird. So I should have confirmed the nap earlier. Okay, so whenever you take naps with the Oura Ring, open up the app and try to confirm it as soon as possible, because apparently that kind of wigs out. Well, what this means is we need to do another test. But it is late now, so I'm going to go to bed. But I will send this info to the circular team as well. Yeah. So there you go. That's the cool thing about Aura normally, is that it shows you the effect of the nap on your sleep score and readiness score. But in this case, it somehow malfunctions. We'll do that again. And then once again, I'm going to show you that bug in the circular app. If you didn't wear the ring last night to bed, but I did, it just wasn't recording the data, the nap does not show up, but I'll check it again tomorrow. And then also, all of a sudden, if I go into energy analysis, my steps are missing from yesterday. And now they're back. That was weird. So it looks like a data load issue, perhaps. Yeah, sometimes this screen and the energy analysis screen just don't jive. So let's try it one more time. We'll go back to the 25th. See, now it's not loading again. So I don't know if they're trying to do caching or, yeah, I don't know what to make of that. So let's try here. Cardio points. Yesterday it shows 34. Okay, let's go to steps. And Saturday is showing nothing now. That's just weird. And I'm missing steps from Sunday and Monday. I never move that little. That's really quite bizarre. Maybe there's issues on the servers right now, but there's no warning, so I don't know what to make of that. All right. It is time for bed.